how to fix Utorrent files connecting to peers, not downloading. I'm going to tell you how to fix Utorrent when your files are stuck on connecting to peers, but not downloading. First, make sure your internet is stable, run a quick speed test, or reconnect your network. Next, check if the uTorrent file has enough seeders. If a file has low or zero seeds, it simply won't download no matter what. You can confirm this in the torrent details. If the file is healthy but still stuck, try pausing and resuming it, or force starting the download. Sometimes that gives it a push. Still no luck? Try changing your incoming port in uTorrent preferences, or enable port forwarding on your router. Also, make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the app. You can try disabling them temporarily just to test. And lastly, try using a VPN if your ISP is known for throttling torrent traffic. If all else fails, remove the torrent and re-add it using a fresh magnet link from a reliable source. Most times, it's just about eliminating the possible blocks one by one.